9580 coming back at you. Like I said, just got done taking my shower. I'm still here at the truck stop. Today's actually the 27th. I said the 26th. It's actually Saturday the 27th of August, and it's 5:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll show you the outside here. Now, there's Dino right there. And we got another kind of van right over there. Looks like one of them sprinter vans. Yep. That's where all the RVers come. The truck stops, right? Well, some of them do. We got what do we got there? A Roadway Inn. That ain't Motel 6. Not a chance they're getting my money. Not a chance. What else I got around here? Running around the truck stop. Actually, this one's a pretty nice one. The building's nice and clean. Like I said, it's what do we got down there? It's mostly shade, I guess. Yeah, these people up here in Connecticut always got a miserable look on their face. They see you out filming, they're wondering what you're doing. They can go to hell. I like that. That's the freedom of the United States. I can do somewhat what I want, but it's limited. But, they got a Burger King, Dunkin' Donuts, Mini Mart. Yeah, all kinds of food in there. If you got the money to buy it. It's too high. Prices are too high. Yep. There's another one of them sprinter vans. Red one over there. Gas is sure high down here, that's for sure. Hey, there's another camper van. Similar to mine. Right over there, see it? Similar to what I got. There's another. Is that one of those Volkswagen Westphalias? Them are expensive. That type of van there. Yep. So this van over here is similar to mine, only got the higher top. Mine's at the higher top. There. Yep. I'll take a walk around this way. There's a tow truck. Yeah, like I say, it's a good sized parking lot. There's a good sized Class C right there. See a lot of campers around. And I will be getting out of here in about probably an hour or so. And yep. This way. Back to my van. So that's the outside of it. And I got an RV dump station here, which I'm sure is probably $10, which I'm not going to pay. Now when I can go to Springfield and see that over there, it's probably $10, I'm sure. Paying $10, ain't paying that shit. Yep, so back to the van I go. Be out here in an hour. Alright, guys. I'm going to turn it on me. Talk to you guys later. Comment, rate, subscribe. Just living the life of traveling, huh? I can still travel a little bit. Even though I'm working, I can still go around the Northeast a little bit. And like I said, once November hits, I will be on the road to Florida. First week in November. Alright, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.